Welcome to Smart Finance Investor. We're embarking on an exciting journey to take control of our finances and build lasting wealth. If you're ready to transform your financial life, you've come to the right place. Let's recap what we've learned so far. Recap of Step 1: Setting Financial Goals. Step 1 was all about setting clear financial goals. We guided you through the process of identifying meaningful and achievable objectives. Whether it was paying off debt, saving for a dream vacation, or planning for retirement, we helped you gain clarity on your short-term, medium-term, and long-term aspirations. Recap of Step 2: Creating a budget that works. In Step 2, we showed you that budgeting doesn't have to be boring. We discovered the secrets to creating a budget that not only tracks your spending but also allows you to enjoy life. By understanding your income sources and expenses, and prioritizing financial goals, we helped you build a personalized budget that aligns with your financial objectives. Recap of Step 3: Building your emergency fund. Step 3 focused on the importance of building your emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net is crucial. We helped you understand why having an emergency fund is essential for financial security and how to start building one, even on a tight budget. By setting a goal and prioritizing fund building, we ensured you're prepared to handle unexpected expenses without derailing your financial progress. Recap of Step 4: Conquering debt like a pro. Step 4 was all about tackling debt strategically. Debt can feel like a heavy burden, but fear not. We shared practical strategies to manage and conquer your debt, so you can move forward with confidence towards your financial goals. The focus on paying off high-interest debts first helps you gain momentum and motivation to tackle the rest. Introduction to Step 5: Introduction to Investing. In Step 5 of our journey towards financial success, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of investing. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals, but it's essential to approach it with knowledge and strategy. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding different investment options. There's a vast array of investment options out there, each with its unique features and risks. From stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds, understanding these investment vehicles is crucial. Let's take a closer look at each option and how it can fit into your overall financial plan. 2. Assessing risk tolerance. Before you begin investing, it's essential to understand your risk tolerance. Investing involves some level of risk, and it's crucial to determine how comfortable you are with market fluctuations and potential losses. We'll guide you through a risk assessment exercise to help you gain clarity on your risk profile. 3. Creating a personalized investment plan. Every investor's situation is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to investing. That's why we'll help you create a personalized investment plan that aligns with your financial goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Your plan will serve as the roadmap that guides you through your investment journey. 4. Emphasizing diversification. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing. We'll explain why spreading your investments across different asset classes can reduce risk and potentially improve your returns. Building a diversified portfolio can help you weather market volatility and stay on track with your financial objectives. 5. Embracing long-term investing. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a long-term commitment. We'll discuss the power of compounding and why staying invested over the long haul is essential for building substantial wealth. Patience and discipline are key to successful long-term investing. 6. Considering cost efficiency. Fees and expenses can eat into your investment returns over time. We'll explore cost-efficient investment options, such as low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that can help you keep more of your hard-earned money working for you. 7. Staying informed. The investment landscape is always evolving, and it's crucial to stay informed about market trends and economic developments. We'll share some resources and tips to help you stay up to date with your investments and make informed decisions. 8. Portfolio rebalancing. Over time, the performance of different investments in your portfolio may vary. We'll explain the concept of portfolio rebalancing and how it helps maintain your desired asset allocation. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your portfolio can keep it aligned with your long-term goals. 9. Seeking professional advice. If you're unsure about managing your investments on your own, seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor might be the right choice. We'll discuss when and how to find a reputable advisor who can provide valuable guidance tailored to your individual needs. Congratulations! By completing step 5 of our financial success journey, you now have the knowledge and confidence to start your investment journey. Remember, investing is a long-term process that requires discipline and patience. But with the right approach and a well-thought-out plan, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a brighter financial future. Join our rapidly growing community of financially savvy individuals by hitting that subscribe button. Your journey to financial freedom continues, and we're thrilled to be part of it. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure towards becoming a smart finance investor. See you in the next video. Let's do this together. Until next time, take care and happy investing.